AbShark works for any fitness level, from beginner to seasoned athlete, to reach your beach-ready body results fast. AbShark is incredibly versatile. Use it for comfortable seated reverse crunches to really target the lower abs, oblique exercises to target the love handles, floor exercises to vary your ab workout even further. And if that's not enough, you can place the AbShark on the ground and press. The AbShark turns into a hip, bun, and thigh machine to lift the bun and help get sleek, sexy legs. Made with durable, lightweight, gym-quality steel, the unique ergonomically designed AbShark bars are wrapped with high-density, non-slip foam cushions that fit together to assemble in seconds. The quiet, compact, modular design makes AbShark easy to break down quickly, so you can take it with you or store it anywhere. AbShark is built to last. That's why we can back it with this free lifetime warranty. Use your AbShark for years to come to chisel your abs. You can rest assured that your AbShark will provide you with a lifetime of ab chiseling results. When you order today, you'll also receive the size-dropping components included in AbShark's Attack the Fat system, including the razor-sharp slimming and shaping DVD, which has special workout tips by AbShark inventor Mike Levinson, 3 ab-blasting AbShark classes for beginner, intermediate, and advanced users, which feature the most effective ab sculpting moves you can do with your AbShark. Plus, you get a fun, dynamic cardio class to burn calories and shed pounds and inches all over your body. All this easily combined on one DVD for your convenience to help you get those sexy, defined abs. You'll also receive the Attack the Fat Eating Guide, which gives you the perfect, delicious eating solutions to chisel away the fat all over your body. These size-dropping components, a $60 value, are included in the Attack the Fat system at no additional charge with your AbShark order today.